Lenovo's first attempt at devices with 3 cameras on the back is called Lenovo Z5s. The device is a more affordable version of the Lenovo Z5 Pro, but more powerful than the 6-month-old Lenovo Z5. It is also the first phone from the manufacturer with a water drop notch for the selfie camera. As expected, the chipset is Snapdragon 710 with octa-core CPU and Adreno 616 GPU. There are 3 memory combinations, 4 64GB, 6 64GB, and 6 128GB. The screen is a 6.3 LTPS LCD with Full HD Plus resolution and tall 19.5:9 ratio. The tiny notch on the front houses a 16MP shooter with face unlock and some pixel binding technology for sharper photos. When talking about cameras, the back is where it gets interesting on the Lenovo Z5s. It brings a 16MP wide-angle lens, acting as the primary snapper. The secondary is a telephoto lens with 8MP sensor and 2x optical zoom, while the third one is a 5MP depth sensing shooter for background blur and portrait photos. Other specs include PDAF, 4K video recording, and there is a dual LED flash for good measure. Although the phone has Android Oreo as a base, the user interface is ZUI 10. Battery capacity is 3,300 mAh with USB-C and 15W charging, while connectivity has all the necessary certificates: Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11. The Lenovo Z5s is available in starry gray, titanium crystal blue, actually purple, and honey love orange colors. The first is available only with 4 64GB storage for 1,398 Chinese yuan. The 6 64GB variant can be purchased in all 3 of them. Sadly, the 6 128GB is only with the orange back and is limited edition with an autograph of the Chinese actor Zhu Yilong. All versions are up for pre-order. Actual sales are starting on December 24.